Hi Aquarians, this is Marishi Yumashar. Let's see what is your situation as of now and what you need to hear from me for this coming week. Aquarius out there, Sun, Moon, or Rising, Venus. What is it that you need to hear from me? Just one more time. Alright. Aquarians. Your first card is the Three of Cups. Ooh, there is some kind of a celebration. Okay? Something which you wanted is happening. Because I'm looking at the Nine of Cups and the Three of Cups. There might be other people who is involved in your story. Yeah. It could be your family who is celebrating as well. Okay, because something is being achieved. A dream of yours is being fulfilled, which is beautiful. Wow. All right. Some of you might be dealing with a Cancerian or probably a Pisces. Aquarians out there. What else? There is a reason to celebrate. Your next card is this one. You might have been, oh yes. You might have been stuck, there was this stagnant energy for quite some time. Sorry about that. Strong energy for somebody out there. Sorry. So you were stuck. There was a stagnancy, nothing was happening, but now some kind of a shift is happening because something which you wanted is being offered. Okay? Which again will be a reason to celebrate. Because that cup is full of happiness. It's brimming over. And I feel like everybody around you is also going to be happy for you. Is going to celebrate along with you. Yes. Okay. I was just thinking some of you might be getting married. Okay. When I saw that Ace of Cups, when I was speaking about this Ace of Cups, I was thinking, okay, I just shouldn't put it out there. But then with this with that Nine of Pentacles, I feel like somebody is getting some kind of a proposal or something, which would bring about celebrations in your life. Okay? Wonderful. Okay, some of you might be dealing with a Virgo. Aquarians out there, what is your next card, please? It could be a job situation as well, okay? If it would take you into the next level. From where you are at right now, it is going to take you to the next level. Okay, regards to your abundance. Yeah. You have been waiting for this to come through for quite some time. It has taken its own sweet time to reach, come through. To reach you, because the Knight of Pentacles is the slowest moving knight in this deck. But it knows its destination, so it will reach one day. And I feel like it is already there. Okay, it's almost there. Some of you might be dealing with a Leo or a Virgo. Your next card is this one. You will be back in power. You will be in charge again. Okay, some of you might be dealing with a Cancerian. You're sitting behind the wheel. Behind the wheel. When I spoke about wheel, for a long time you didn't know how things are going to work out. But now, finally, you know exactly where you're going with your life. Because you're in charge, you're going to, bring things back on track. You're in charge of your life. When that opportunity comes through. Okay, things are going to fall into place. All right, yes, this could be a work situation as well. Something is working out. Something which you wanted is coming through, and it will give you the power. All right. The stagnancy, okay, with this limbo, being in limbo, you are just hanging in there, you know, no movement. But with this Chariot, you're taking things forward. You're not stuck anymore. All right. All right, moving on. Some of you might be dealing with a Virgo, strong Virgo energy, strong Cancerian energy as well. Aquarians out there, what is your next card, please? Your next card is a 5 Cups. Previously, you had disappointments. Again, we have Gemini, Cancerian energy up here. Scorpion energy. You had disappointments previously. Regards to the same situation. You might have lost out on something. But then, now with whatever is happening, is going to change things around. Okay? Let's say if you lost a job, something else is coming through. Okay? Another job is coming through, which will give you the power again to make things right in your life. Okay? There might be disappointments or regrets regards to a person, something which had really disappointed you. Because you're still focused on what has been lost. All right, moving on. There are other people who's involved in your story. All right, moving on. Aquarians out there, what is your next card, please? Your next card is this one. 10 of Pentacles. Everything which you wanted is coming through. It's going to change. You know, your disappointment is going to be something of the past. Because things are going to change. You're not going to be stuck thinking about it anymore. Because this card is abundant. You have everything what you wanted. It's almost like a retirement plan. You know, you have your grandparents, you have your parents in there, you have your children in there, you have your significant person, partner in there. You have all these coins hanging around. So emotionally you're happy, financially you're abundant. This is what everybody seeks in their life. And this is what is coming through. It's going to change your life like that. Yes. You know, did I speak about the whale a little earlier? Instead of the wheel when I was talking about the Chariot? You are not going to be aware of it. Like when it happens, it's almost like, oh, it's happening. Like you're going to be shocked. Because things are happening behind the scenes. You don't even know it is happening. Okay? All right. Some of you might be dealing with a Pisces. Moving on. Aquarians out there. What is your next card, please? King of Pentacles. Again, I feel like some of you might be dealing with an Aries or a Taurus person, a King of Pentacles. But I feel like you're back on track. You're going to be financially abundant. This person is really abundant, like financially stable. And I feel like that stability is going to enter your life. Yes. With a 6 of Wands, you are going to be on the path of the victory. Okay? On the path of success. Whatever is coming through for you, it is going to take you on the right path. Some sort of power is going to, you know, you're going to use that power in your advantage. That is the kind of offer which is entering your life. You will be successful. And I feel like people are going to applaud your success. They're going to be proud of you, of your achievements. All right, some of you might be dealing with a Leo. And that's it for now. I wish you luck. Until next time, this is Marishi on my channel to look up. Bye-bye.